Are you too old to be a YouTube content creator? Are you too old? What does that even mean? Do you want to be a YouTube content creator? Then let's talk about what age you should actually be to be a YouTube content creator. First, let me introduce myself. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Darlene, and this is Darlene's Retired Life, and this channel is about retirement things in general and my retired life as a YouTube content creator. And if that is something that you are interested in, then maybe we can grow our channels together. So, okay, what is the proper age to be a YouTube content creator? Is there a proper age? No. Are we too old? What is too old? I mean, our age of how long we have been here on this earth may be up there, but our brain is still the same as what it was 10, 20 years ago. And some of us aren't as physically fit, but you don't have to be physically fit to have a YouTube channel unless it is about, sports and fitness and things like that. And then there are some of us that aren't doing so bad in that area either. But why do people think that we're too old? I mean, do they think that nobody is going to be interested in watching our videos because we're old people, and that only young people watch YouTube videos, so they want to watch young people as content creators? I, for one, love YouTube, and I love watching YouTube. I learn a lot from YouTube, and I like to watch people of all ages, but I like to watch people more my age on YouTube because I feel like they have more experience in what it is that I am looking to find out or looking to have help for. There are some ones that, I watch because they're younger and they might end up having a little bit of a different outlook on something because they're younger and they know more of what's happening in a certain category. Like technology, it seems like the younger ones are really into the technology and they can tell you just about anything that you want to know. So I will watch those younger generation videos because I know that they're going to be more tech savvy than older people. It's not always the case, but a majority of the time. But there are people that are 40, 50, 60, 70, even in their 80s that have successful YouTube channels. So no, don't let anybody tell you that you are too old to have a YouTube channel, to be a YouTube content creator. There is no such thing. As long as you are able to speak in front of a camera on your smartphone or an actual camera, as long as you are a little bit tech savvy, that you're able to edit your video if it needs editing, or you can just go straight up, talk right off the cuff like I try to do, and don't edit at all. Just be totally 100% authentic without editing any silent spots or any ums and ands, and that's an option too. And and I'll leave that in there because that's me. I'm pausing, I'm thinking about something, and there's nothing wrong with that. So if you're not real tech savvy and you don't want to edit, then just record, and you have to be able to know a little bit about YouTube, because there is a back office called YouTube Studio that you are going to have to learn a little bit about to be able to upload your videos and post your videos onto the YouTube platform. Okay. But that's easy. Once you end up doing that a few times, it's going to be like learning how to ride a bike. Once you get it, you get it. And then you just keep up on it as things keep on evolving. You know, we did that all of our life growing up. We can still do it, continued through the rest of our lives as long as we're here. As long as our brains are sharp, we can still keep learning and moving on with the times. So no, you're not too old. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, please do, because you have a lot to share. And you have a lot of years that you have learned something that you can help others with. So think about it. Think what you're really good at. Think, what did you do for work all of your life that you can actually, in retirement, still make money at, because you can share and teach others how to do it. You know, whether it's like office work and you are an expert at this particular software, you can teach that. But there are many channels out there that teach how to use software, and they are so successful and they're making lots of money. So yeah, cooking, fitness, learn how to crochet, like my crochet channel, you know, learn a craft, mechanics. The possibilities are endless. I mean, you could be entertaining. We're not too old to, you know, make jokes and have a sense of humor and be a little entertaining. Some people really like laughing at old folks, so that might be your thing. You might be a stand-up comedian. You're not too old. That's the bottom line. So let me know in the comments below if you have been contemplating starting a YouTube channel, if people have been telling you that you're too old and that you can't make money and it's a waste of your time. Let me know what your reaction was in the comments below. Oh, and hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video if you found it to be helpful. And until the next video, bye.